CloudBot is very viral these days, but the problem is not everyone can actually set up CloudBot on their computer. And also there are a lot of security issues as well. There are plenty of different cybersecurity incidents which were reported due to CloudBot. But what if there is a more simple and secure CloudBot alternative out there, and it does not require you to be a rocket scientist to set up everything? And this AI agent actually works inside your computer, not in a browser, not in a chat window, but directly on your Windows desktop. It can do different tasks like reading your files, organizing your folders, building documents, slides, visuals, and finishing real work end to end. I'm talking about Skywork Desktop. This is a desktop AI agent which can be installed just like a normal software on your computer. And this AI agent is basically the desktop version of Skywork AI, which is a web-based AI tool. We have already covered Skywork AI in a different video, but in this video I'm just going to talk about Skywork AI desktop version because they have recently released this desktop version. You can just go to skywork.ai/desktop, and here you can just download the setup file, and then you can just install Skywork on your computer, and then you can just directly start using Skywork AI as an AI agent locally on your computer. So this AI agent is basically Windows native AI desktop agent, and that part matters. Instead of asking you to upload files one by one into a chat, Skywork can read entire folders. You can just open your local directory, and let's suppose your directory has different documents, spreadsheets, images, videos. This AI agent works across all different formats, and it executes tasks locally without uploading your files to cloud. Think of it less like an AI assistant and more like a smart coworker who understands your whole project context. Most AI tools today have a limitation. You have probably noticed it. They only know what you manually paste in, but the real work doesn't live in one document. It lives across messy folders, old PDF files, Excel sheets, screenshots, half-finished slides. So this AI agent Skywork basically breaks that boundary. It enters your actual working environment, the desktop itself, and that actually unlocks a workflow that browser-based AI simply cannot handle. Okay, here's a real scenario. I have this messy folder which is actually inside another folder, and then there is another folder with different theme files and a lot of other plugins and a lot of zip files, and then there are different like image files, then there are like PDF files, a lot of books as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this folder from here, and then I'm just going to give it the path of that folder. I just clicked on select that folder, and now you can see that folder has been assigned in here. So I have just asked Skywork to understand the content of this folder, group the files by project and topic, rename them clearly, and build a clean folder structure. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on enter, and now what it is going to do, it is basically going to understand this folder structure and every single file in that folder. As I mentioned earlier, I don't need to upload anything to Skywork AI. There is nothing being uploaded on cloud. Let's suppose if you have very secret files that you never want to upload into cloud server and then let different companies to have access to your data. So to avoid that scenario, you can just like use Skywork Desktop, and it doesn't matter if you have like thousands of different files, different formats, you can just provide the path of your folder and then ask Skywork to then organize that folder. So this folder contained an invoice as well that I didn't know, but I'll just blur this part where it is showing the total invoice amount. And also you can see it has created these 5 different tasks for itself. The first step is to analyze all of the files and understand their content and purpose. So every single file in that folder, including all of different theme files, all of different PDF files, books, and a lot of other stuff, it is going to analyze all of those files and understand their content and purpose. The second step will be to design clean folder structure based on the file categories. The third step will be to rename files with clear and descriptive names. Then the fourth step will be to create new folder structure and move files into those new folder structures. And then fifth step will be to generate organization summary report. So now you can see it has already completed the first task, and then here you can see it has completed the second task, and here you can see I think it is now working on the third task. While Skywork is doing its work, you can just like now switch your tab. You can just open Google Chrome and then do something else. Let Skywork work on the background, and it doesn't matter how long your task is. It can take hours and hours. This AI agent will keep working on background, and once the task is finished, you can just easily review it, and if there is any modification needed in that task, you can easily ask it to fix that. And there you go, you can see the task is completed. It has already completed all of the tasks. Now let me just visit my folder again, and you can see here in this folder previously there were only 2 folders, and now you can see it has created 6 different folders. The first one is business documents, the second one is marketing material, third one is reference and materials, the fourth one is development resources, then fifth one is media. So all of that content is well organized, and here you can see there is this contracts and agreement section, then there is invoices section. Similarly, inside marketing material there is this brand brief, and also in this reference material section there is this books. So there was only one book, and then there is this development resources. Inside this folder there is this WordPress plugin and WordPress themes, and also there is this media folder where there are different screenshots, and also there is this content research folder, and inside this folder there is this AI video tools. And here you can see this is a research document that I created about 5 different AI tools. So it has like organized all of these folders properly and then numbered them properly. It then created the subfolders as well, and also you can find this file organization summary as well. If you just open that, so let's suppose if you had like thousands of different files, and here you can find the overall file organization summary report. You can see it did not just move files randomly, it also explained why each file is placed in a certain folder, and this is based on the semantic meaning, not file names. So this is where it stops feeling like automation and starts feeling like actual understanding. Now next I'm going to give Skywork a document. So let's suppose this document, and also I can give like multiple images as well, and now I'm just going to drag and drop it in here, and then I'm going to ask it to create a presentation based on that. So you can see one file has been attached which is in this location. Now I can actually give it more images and more spreadsheets as well, but now let's just ask it to create a presentation based on this file. Create a presentation based on the attached file, also create relevant visuals and images inside the presentation. So this is my final prompt: create a presentation based on the attached file, also create relevant visuals and images inside the presentation. And now I can just press enter. By the way, you can also choose any of these AI models from here. You can choose Claude Opus 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Flash as well. But I'm not going to choose any particular AI model. I'm just going to leave it as it is and then press on enter, and now it is going to basically start working on this task. So the main goal of this task is to understand the document that I have attached, because in that document I actually ranked like 5 different AI video tools. So it is going to understand that, and after that it is going to then create a presentation from that document, and also it is going to create different images and different sort of visuals inside that presentation. While it is doing this task, now you can just like do something else. You don't need to like keep looking at it. You can just like meanwhile do something else, and this AI agent will just work on the background and let you know as soon as the task is completed. So there you go, this task has been completed, the presentation has been created. Let me just open that folder, and here you can find this PPT file. If I just open that, and you can see it is opening in PowerPoint, and there you go, that's amazing. And you can also see the overall ranking that I gave in all of these tools. You can also see the images that it has created, the background images, the key parameters and everything. Basically this image also it created using AI. This is a visual presentation. This is not just text only. It has briefly explained the concept. It has mentioned all of the AI models that I basically mentioned in that document. So you can see it has presented the ranking clearly in here. Also you can see it created this nice visual where it showed that #1 AI tool in here. So it generated all of these slides with logic. There was no copy pasting. There was no just random data or random information. Everything was carefully crafted, and every single slide makes true sense. This is the type of task where AI struggles with online, but it thrives at locally. So as I mentioned earlier, Skywork doesn't force you into one model. It switches between these AI models based on the task. If the task has a text-heavy logic, then it is going to use Claude. If it has multi-modal understanding, then it is going to use Gemini. So all of this routing happens automatically. And yes, this approach is clearly faster than manually choosing every time. Skywork is not just about documents. From the same materials, it can generate marketing visuals, posters, presentations, graphics, simple videos, and even full web pages from docs and PPTs. This is especially powerful if you work in marketing, build internal tools, prepare client decks, or constantly turning documents into shareable assets. This part matters more than people realize. Skywork runs inside a locally isolated environment. The original data is not modified. Actions are confirmed before execution. For anyone dealing with work documents, client data, internal projects, or enterprise workflows, you just cannot share your work documents on a server. And also, let's suppose if you're dealing with hundreds of different documents, it will be impossible for you to upload all of those documents onto a cloud AI tool. This is the difference between a cool AI demo and something you would actually trust at work. So Skywork Desktop makes sense if you work on Windows, handle a lot of files, you build reports, decks, or content regularly, you hate repetitive cleanup and formatting, and you want AI to finish tasks, actually execute tasks on your computer, not just suggest things. It's not about replacing thinking, it's about removing the friction. If you want to try it yourself, I have put my Skywork Desktop link in description. You can just click on that link and test it in a real folder, give it a real task, and that's where it clicks. If you want a deeper comparison with Claude Cowork or more real workflows, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.